Story 29. A man had a friend who held the office of Divan to the Padshah, but whom he had not seen for a long time. And a man having asked him for the reason, he replied, I do not want to see him. A dependent, however, of the Divan, who also happened to be present, queried, What fault has he committed, that thou art unwilling to meet him? He replied, There is no fault in the matter, but a friend who is a Divan may be seen when he is removed from office. Whilst in greatness and the turmoil of business, they do not like to be troubled by neighbors, but when they are depressed and removed from office, they will open their heart's grief to friends. And yeah, that's the thing. Sometimes people have to lose to make a connection.